everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-generation the legacy. Well guys, as you know ukuthi it was reported ukuthi uPele uDali is leaving generation the legacy. So yesterday guys simbonile epolisha isibhamu kuningi edale kwenzeka bakithi. He's been chasing Jack Mabaso and he ended up basenkingeni yokuthi kwadubuleka uJack waphinde kwadubuleka ingane. So ke unecala ke la leyo nto leyo ke. So guys uDali feels like everyone wonke umuntu umlahlile, akekho umuntu osesayidini lakhe. So he decided, or I believe that he decided to end his life with a gun, because izolo simbonile police isibhamu ebeka inhlamvu enzani. So namhlanje ke they posted a video kaMpho ezombona, then uMpho ubonaka very shocked ebusweni, and mangabe ke ufunda ama tears anamhlanje athi ke everyone deals with the aftermath of the tragedy, which ke guys I think ukuthi ke uPele ke uzibulele, but ke uKhumo can't help but feel cheated by Pele as he never really got his revenge. Base ukuthi ke laphana ke mangabe check ama comment abantu ke ku Facebook abantu ke bathi ke Jake makes situation moving without him the script writer doesn't have proceeding plan Batung. Is that why he rose from dead? So Mpho is the only one who remained on Pele's side during his ordeal. Anybody happy about Dali dying here and Jack criminal winning is a criminal themselves. They get motivated and inspired. If Dali dies, I hope it will be the end of generation. Also but guys, it's not the end of each generation. What how Dali Batung he shot himself. We know who pushed Dali to do this. You still love Jack Mabaso and Khumo. They are the reason I watch. Okay, Uti, you still love Jack Mabaso and Khumo. They're the reason I watch Generation. Did Dali kill himself because I saw him with a holding a gun? So yeah guys, I think it's the end of Dali Malinga laphana ke with generation the legacy. But guys, so when each generation can change the storyline, this is what is happening when something different. But anyway guys, do comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ke uzohamba kanjani ke kulo mdlalo. Bye.